Hello guys, I am back with my new video, which is the unboxing of XIAOMI Mi Pad 5. So you can see here the XIAOMI Pad 5. So I am going to take it out of the box here. Okay, so now I am removing the plastic from here. Okay, yes. I can explain you how I am feeling right now. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's eye-catching. The body it has got, it's amazing. And now I'm showing you the contents inside the box, which are let's look inside the box. So it's a charger. It is actually a 22.5 watt charger, and here is the cable with it, as you can see. And what it is, okay, so this is some user manual guide that every phone tablet contains. So if you wish, you can read it. So now I am switching on the Mi tablet here. As you can look how sexy it is looking right here. Okay, so now I am going to set it up. It's Mi UI 13. So now let me set it up. English India, and here is some terms and conditions which we all agree to it. Now I'm setting up Wi-Fi. Okay, now the tablet is getting ready. I'm eagerly waiting to show you all how Mi Pad 5 is. I know you all are having a great patience like I am having while setting it up right now. I can understand your feelings right now. Even I want to check it at, but it is taking a lot of time. So now I am going to skip all this right now. I will set it up later in some Google. Okay, skip. Okay. Now the setup is complete. So guys, here is the first look of the XIAOMI Mi Pad 5. So I am going to show some info about the tablet. It has 128 GB MIUI 13 and some other informations. So now let me show you. Okay, so I need to sign in here. I will sign in later. Okay, so yes, let me show you. Okay, these are some recommendations from Google, like I have just recently set up. So now let me show you how it works. Okay, it is too smooth. It's actually 120 Hertz. So now you can, as you can see, I have written Mi Pad 5, and now here is Mi Pad 5 website on Mi Pad 5.